Friends, our story begins in the year 1891 in the town of Redditch, England, where a new revolution was about to unfold. Redditch, a small town, was soon going to etch its name in history. This is where Royal Enfield was born, a brand that still rules hearts to this day. Just hearing this name sends a thrill down your spine, doesn't it? A thrill that every rider feels. Initially, the company made bicycles, which were considered among the finest bicycles of that time. Yes, you heard right, bicycles. And these bicycles were very popular. Gradually, the company also started manufacturing rifle parts, which further enhanced their reputation for quality and reliability. Who knew that one day this company would create the world's most magnificent motorcycle, a motorcycle that would become everyone's dream? But fate had other plans. Royal Enfield saw many ups and downs in its journey, but each time it emerged stronger. In 1901, Royal Enfield built its first motorcycle. It was a small beginning, a journey that was going to make history. This first motorcycle from Royal Enfield came with a simple design, but it had some special features that set it apart from other motorcycles. This motorcycle was completely different from other motorcycles of that time. Its design and construction were very unique and innovative for that era. Its engine was placed in the front, and it used a special kind of belt drive. This belt drive system was a significant step in the technology of that time. It was a revolutionary design that brought Royal Enfield recognition worldwide. This motorcycle gave the company a new direction and earned it a prominent place in the motorcycle industry. The company soon started manufacturing heavy and powerful motorcycles, which became famous for their strength and durability. These motorcycles made Royal Enfield a prestigious brand, which is still known for its quality and reliability. During the First World War, Royal Enfield started making motorcycles for the army. These motorcycles were known for their utility and strength on the battlefields. In 1932, the company launched its most famous motorcycle, the Bullet. The Bullet was famous for its distinctive thumping sound and powerful engine. This motorcycle soon became an icon and continues to rule the hearts of people to this day. Section 4. Finding a Home. Royal Enfield's Journey to India. In 1955, Royal Enfield established its factory in India. This was a huge step for the company. In India, the Bullet was embraced wholeheartedly. It settled not just on the roads, but also in the hearts of the people. The Bullet was not just a motorcycle, it was a feeling, a ride of freedom. Section 5. The Heartbeat of India. The Bullet's enduring appeal. In India, the Bullet holds a different kind of status. Its powerful sound, robust build, and classic looks have made people crazy about it. The Bullet wasn't just a motorcycle, it became a status symbol. From police and army personnel to the common man, everyone wanted to ride a Bullet. Section 6. Riding through the storm. Challenges and revival. This chapter delves into the trials and tribulations faced by Royal Enfield and how it emerged stronger. In the 1990s, Royal Enfield faced many challenges. At that time, the company had to fight for its survival. The arrival of Japanese motorcycles increased competition in the market. These motorcycles were more advanced and fuel efficient, which further increased the difficulties for Royal Enfield. But Royal Enfield did not give up. The company resolved to improve its products and meet the changing needs of its customers. The company reinvented itself, adopting new technologies while retaining its classic design. It added modern features to its motorcycles, making them even more attractive. Along with this, Royal Enfield changed its marketing strategy and launched new models to attract the youth. This new strategy gave the company a new identity and made it popular once again.